Hello! This week we're going to do an unboxing. I have been a PinchMe member for over 4 years now. I absolutely love this. It's a sample box and you don't pay anything for it. There's a website, you go, you register, there's this full profile that you have to fill out so that they know what samples would work best for you. And if you miss a sample or if you don't get a sample, like I didn't get these, I went and added it to my wish list. And I'm going to do maybe the Ricola as well, so they know what your favorites are. You can also directly buy from the website. You can go to Target, Walgreens, or they'll tell you where it's available, like CVS. After you get your monthly box, there is a message center where you give your feedback, whether you liked it, you didn't like it. You can see here that I've been doing this for a while. Sometimes you get full samples, like the nail polish, the Sinful nail polish I got was a full sample. Other times you get just a one-time sample, like the caramel macchiato was what I had gotten, and it was just one serving. Alright, let's move on to this month's box. I am super excited about this month. The first thing that came out of the box was a Slim Fast double chocolate chip cookie. It's a meal replacement in the Slim Fast plan. Last month I had gotten a smoothie which was also chocolate flavor, mysteriously. This is also a meal replacement in their plan. I haven't tried this yet, but I will. I do think we should try the brownie right now as we are doing this video. Guys, this looks like a regular chocolate chip chocolate cookie and it breaks fine, it feels fine, it really does look good, and it tasted really good. I really liked it. Alright, moving on. The next thing here is an easy and nice coupon for a free box, and they gave me a hair tie with it. It's one of those not untangling hair tie. I think it's really good. They have a fresh floral scent sample inside the card. I really like the smell. I'm definitely going to get this. The coupon says it's available at Walmart or Target, so this I'm definitely getting. Okay, so the next thing here is a small sample of a foundation. They gave me a choice of 4 foundation shades. I chose the one that I thought was closest to my skin. Of course, it's a little bit too orangey for my skin, as you can see right there. Definitely will have to go to a store or something to try this and see if I can find one in my shade, but this one would work for me. The last thing in my PinchMe box this month is a Whole Blends Garnier shampoo and conditioner sample. I have never used Garnier ever, so this would be a good thing to try with my hair, especially nowadays. My hair seems to be falling and breaking, so this may help. I'll keep you guys posted about my first impressions about the hair color as well as the Whole Blend sample on my Instagram page, which I will link down below. Alright guys, thank you for spending time with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If this encourages you to use PinchMe, comment down below. Let me know if you like the service as well. And as always, be fearless, be brave.